Hi, this week I also learned another hymn, Jesus Keep Me Near the Cross. And turns out that this hymn only needs three chords, so it turns out to be really easy. So really encourage you to learn it. It is in triple time, compound triple, so it's actually in 6/8 time. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But I think you'll get the hang of it. So the chords you need are C, F, and G. And next we'll kind of play through the first verse slowly so you can get the feel for the rhythm. So here's the first verse, and we'll try and take it a little bit slower. And remember, it's in a triple time, so we're going to do down, up, up, down, up, up. Jesus, keep me near the cross. There a precious fountain, free to all the healing stream, flows from Calvary's mountain. In the cross, be my glory ever, till my raptured soul shall find rest beyond the river. So grab your song sheets and we'll play through all four verses. Jesus, keep me near the cross. There a precious fountain, free to all the healing stream. till my raptured soul shall find rest beyond the river, near the cross I'll watch and wait, hoping, trusting ever, till I reach the golden strand, just beyond the river. In the cross, be my glory ever, till my raptured soul shall find rest beyond the river. That was Jesus Keep Me Near the Cross, and it's amazing how just with 3 chords we could play such a beautiful hymn. I hope you enjoy it. Again, practice it slow, and you can practice along with the video if you want, but definitely practice it, and I'm sure you get it. See you next time.